And welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to find and change your Roblox password. Now, in the previous video, I've taught you how to see your Roblox password, but this one we're going to find it. We're going to also change it on our mobile. Now, the first thing you do is open up your Roblox app on your mobile phone, and then you tap on the more option at the bottom. Tap on settings, then tap on account information. Want to change your password, then to open up this information, so pull down. As you can see, there is no password here, but it is over here under the login method. So tap on the pen icon next to it. Next, so you're going to put in your current password, then you put in the new password and confirm your password, and then you tap on update. Always use a strong password. For example, let's say I want to use a strong password like this one over here. I just put it in and then tap on update. You follow the prompt and that's it. That is how to change your password. Also find and change your Roblox password. It's as simple as that on your mobile phone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.